The radio junkie here with great news. Here are some possibilities for a budget HF radio. Budget HF radios don't have to be boring. Let's dive into the best picks under $500. First up, we've got the Xeigu G1M, a 5-watt 4-band HF transceiver capable of SSB, CW, and digital modes. Available on eBay for $218. Compact, user-friendly, and perfect for beginners. Next, the Xeigu G106, small size, big performance. This HF transceiver covers HF bands 3.5 to 29.7 MHz, operates SSB, CW, and data modes. Available at Radioddity for $239 bundled with DE19 interface. Coming in at number 3 is the Radioddity QT60, a single-band, all-mode 10-meter radio with 60 watts of power available at Radioddity for $259.99. Affordable with a punchy performance. It's a must-have. Then there's the HF Signals sBitx 5 3SDR transceiver assembled using a Raspberry Pi platform and operates SSB, CW, and data modes. Available at Gigaparts for $399. Sounds like a mouthful, right? But this one's a game changer with its SDR capabilities. Ready for FT8, CW, and SSB. Rounding off our list is the Xeigu G90, boasting 20 watts of RF power. A full-featured HF radio. Reliable, robust, available at Radioddity for $499.99 and a favorite among many. And as a bonus, meet the Xeigu X5105, just over $500. Available at Radioddity for $545. Portable, versatile, and packed with features. So, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, these radios offer great value. Each has its pros and cons, so choose wisely. Happy tuning!